So welcome students for the video lecture of subject concrete technology. So in last lecture we have seen properties of hardened concrete, that is durability and impermeability. So today also we will see properties of hardened concrete, that is creep and shrinkage. So myself Rushali Mane, lecturer in Civil Engineering Department, NIT Polytechnic, Nagpur. So vision of the institute: excellence in technical education to empower youth. Then mission: impart quality technical education to prepare students with excellent technical skills. Then develop competent and employable diploma engineers and responsible citizens. Then strengthen industry institute interaction. Then vision of the department: to impart excellent civil engineering skills to develop employable civil diploma engineers. Then mission: imparting the modern technical skills as per the requirement of the industry to improve employability. Then to develop social and environmental responsible civil engineers. Then effective implementation of teaching learning process to benefit students. Then course outcome: prepare concrete of desired compressive strength. Then unit outcome: describe the factors affecting overall durability of given type of concrete. Program outcomes mapped are basic discipline and knowledge, engineering tools experimentation and testing, engineering practices for society sustainability and environment, then project management and lifelong learning. Then hardened concrete. So what is hardened concrete? As in previous lecture we have seen, so hardened concrete is that concrete which is sufficiently strong to withstand the structural and service applied load. It must be durable enough for the environmental risk for which it is designed. So hardened concrete. So in today's lecture we are studying about the creep. So creep, what is the creep? It is the deformation of structure under sustained load. So if load is applied on concrete, it gets deformed under the load. So that is called as creep, and the concrete gets bent. So basically long term pressure or stress on concrete can make it change the shape. So this deformation usually occurs in the direction of the force is being applied. तो जिस डायरेक्शन में फोर्स अप्लाई होता है उसमें डिफॉर्मेशन अकर्स होता है. लाइक अ कॉन्क्रीट कॉलम गेटिंग मोर compressed or a beam bending. Then creep does not necessarily cause concrete to fail or break apart. When a load is applied to concrete, it experiences an instantaneous elastic strain which develop into creep strain if the load is sustained. Then factors affecting creep: aggregates affect the creep. So aggregate should be strong enough to take the load applied on it. Then mixed proportion: proper well graded aggregate should be there. There should be no voids in the aggregates. So they will, with no voids, there will be less porosity, and hence mixed proportion will resist the load applied on it. Then age of concrete: so as the age increases deformation, if load is applied for long period, then there will be deformation will be permanent. But if it is applied for less time, then there will be creep can disappear. Then aggregate undergo very little creep. The aggregate influences the creep of concrete through a restraining effect on the magnitude of creep. The stronger the aggregate, the more is the restraining effect, and hence the less is the magnitude of creep. An increase from 65 to 75% of volume content of the aggregate will decrease the creep by 10%. The modulus of elasticity of aggregate is one of the important factor influencing creep. So it can be easily imagined that higher the modulus of elasticity, the less is the creep. So lightweight aggregates show substantially higher creep than normal weight aggregates. Then mixed proportion: The amount of paste content and its quality is one of the most important factor influencing creep. A poorer paste structure undergoes higher creep. Creep increases with increase in water cement ratio. Creep is inversely proportional to the strength of concrete. Hence, all other factors which are affecting the water cement ratio are also affecting the creep. Then age of concrete. Age at which a concrete member is loaded will have a predominant effect on the magnitude of creep. So this can be easily understood from the fact that quality of gel improves with time. Such gel creeps less, whereas a young gel under load being not so strong creeps more. What is said above is not very accurate statement because of the fact that moisture content of the concrete being different at different age also influences the magnitude of creep. Then effects of creep on concrete. Creep increases the deflection with time and may be a critical consideration in design. So creep will useful in all concrete structure to reduce the internal stresses due to uniform load or restraint shrinkage. In mass concrete structure, on account of differential temperature condition at the interior and the surface, creep is harmful and by itself may be a cause of cracking in interior of the dram. So because of rapid construction technique, concrete member will experience load that can be as large as the design load at very early age. So creep has a significant effect on both the structural integrity and economic impact that it will produce if predicted wrong. So क्रीप से क्या होता है, एक्चुअली डिफ्लेक्शन होता है और उस डिफ्लेक्शन की वजह से क्या होता है, कंक्रीट में क्रैक आते हैं. सो क्रीप जो है वो हमेशा अवॉइड ही होना चाहिए. क्रीप का फॉर्मेशन अगर कंक्रीट अगर परमानेंट डिफॉर्म हो गया तो क्रीप अकर होना ही है, इसलिए क्रीप को हमेशा अवॉइड करना होता है. इट इज़ वेरी डेंजरस फॉर द लाइफ ऑफ द और ड्यूरेबिलिटी ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर. देन श्रिंकेज. Concrete is subjected to changes in volume either autogeneously or induced. So concrete shrinkage is the change in length per unit length and is therefore a dimensional number expressed as percentage. The term shrinkage is loosely used to describe the various aspects of volume change in concrete due to loss of moisture at different stages due to different reasons. One of the most objectionable defects in concrete is presence of cracks, particularly in floor and pavements. तो ये श्रिंकेज जो है वो जनरली फ्लोर और पेवमेंट में ही अकर होता है ड्यू टू लॉस ऑफ मॉइस्चर. सो इट इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट टू मेक कॉन्क्रीट विच डू नॉट श्रिंक और एंड क्रैक. सो कॉन्क्रीट जो है वो श्रिंक और क्रैक जनरली होता ही है, वेरी अनडिज़ायरेबल प्रॉपर्टी है, तो इसको अवॉइड करना थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट होता है. देन फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग श्रिंकेज ऑफ कंक्रीट. ह्यूमिडिटी, वाटर सीमेंट रेशियो, सीमेंट कंटेंट, टेम्परेचर, क्यूरिंग. रैपिड ड्राइंग कॉजेज श्रिंकेज. सो what is creep in concrete, then factors affecting creep, then what is shrinkage, factors affecting shrinkage. Then assignment question. State factors which affect creep, then differentiate between creep and shrinkage. Thank you.